What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio, man. We're constrictors in the building again. We got an unboxing this time. Probably the dopest recessive out here in the game. I jumped into it, couldn't help myself. Hard to find female, so I got a male, and I'ma just, go the long route, make hets the whole nine. So we're gonna do an unboxing, and then a couple weeks passed since he actually came. He took a meal or two, so I'm gonna show you an update on him and what he looked like, and also got this yellow belly pie girl with a fresh shed, so we're gonna take a look at her, because who don't like pie? Yeah. But first, kick that intro. Oh my gosh. Pictures do no justice, yo. Everybody says it, but it's always facts. We got paper in there. Let's get some of this paper out of the way first. Looks like it was packed in shredded paper. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Pastel Desert Ghost male. He a little chilly, so I'm gonna let him warm up to room temperature before I put him in this quarantine tub. But man, look how clean, bright he is, and you know it's just gonna get better and better and better. Bald head with the little triangle or the little butterfly on it. Oh, my dogs again. Looks nice and healthy. Clean, so clean. Love DG. My first visual DG in the collection. Got a hat or two, but this is the first visual. Here, let's put them down. Beautiful, man. That's insane. So happy to add this dude to my collection. Get him grown up so we can make some hats, some double hats, some triple hats. You know, I got the DG or pastel, super pastel hat DG. So, we'll get some visuals from that. But man, I can't even see the camera. I'm alone right now, so I hope I'm catching all this, man. Crazy blushing, super blushed out. It almost looked like someone erased it right there. Super blush, super faded. Like I said, you got the bald head, a little baldy, with the butterfly in it, almost butterfly. But yeah, man. I'll let him warm up a little bit out here, and then I'm gonna get him in this quarantine tub. All right, so it's been a couple weeks since we got this dude home. He is eating, passed all the little quarantine tests, so he's all good. I also noticed this cool little, I told you he's twitchy, this cool little heart he got right there. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. Cool little heart. I think he's scared of the camera, so I'm gonna stay a little bit farther back. So that's the DG. Like I say, he took a couple meals from me. He looking amazing, clean as can be. Just insane. Like, DG is insane, man. I don't know. Probably the best recessive out there. Keep it 100. I like ultra male, yeah, I mean, but sheesh. That DG, boy. So let's check out that, I can't even, man, I wish the camera was picking it up because the camera ain't picking it up. Like it kind of can get those yellows down there, but not really. But let's check out that pie. So here's that yellow belly pie, girl. Fresh shed on her. Looking dope. What'd you say about her just now?
I said she's on fire.
Yeah. She looked like she on fire.
Yeah, with the orange flames.
He ain't capping. Look real good, dude. Nice little head stamp. Mad dark. Oranges is popping. I wish the camera could pick it up. It's kind of picking it up though. It's kind of picking it up. But man, them oranges is crazy, man. So let me see the side profile. There you go. Look at that. Them yellows, them oranges. Everything all jagged because of the yellow belly. These tiny little dots. Looks like ashes or smoke rising from the flames. Dude, this chick dope. I like it. I like it a lot. So yeah, that's yellow belly pie, man. Looking good, growing up nicely here. We'll see what she do in a couple years, you know what I mean? Last but not least.
Kobe.
Who?
Kobe.
You know how you gotta say it.
Kobe.
There you go.
Oh, shit.
Kobe. So the kid wanted to show off Kobe real quick. See, super nice, friendly. You can grab his face and head and you don't get upset or get all scared like ball pythons do. So that's the man. Oh, turn around. Let's see that. The back of that shirt. Oh, merch. All right, turn. So yeah, man, that's the boy Kobe, man. Super cool. He'll never sit still. Ever. So just wanted to show him off a little bit. Yeet. All right, man. So that's everything, man, for this video right here. A couple updates. Nice little pickup right there on that boy. He's super bright, super clean, super shiny. So we named that boy Colossus. You know what I mean? We got to keep with the Marvel theme going on over here. Chilling right now next to the homegirl Sony. Nice little fox snake right here. She never sits still either, you know, Colubers. But update video coming soon, man, on these pairings and all that I got going on, because 'tis the season. We should be having some eggs drop soon. So keep an eye out. 500 subscriber giveaway girl coming. It's gonna be a Inchi Mojave female. I'm gonna do a giveaway video pretty soon for that girl. Get at this, you know, somebody, give them a nice little start in the project, a little mochi. So that being said, man, make sure to do those things. Hit the button. If you ain't already, subscribe, hit the like, do all those things, man. Till next time, y'all be easy. Peace.
I'm ready, Freddy, Teddy, Meddy,
All right. 3, 2, 1. What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Malacio. Why you mocking me over there, man?
I like it.
3,
Okay.
2, 1. What up, YouTube?